Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Arty and Crafty. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a greeting card for your Valentine. So for that we need craft paper, quilling strips, pro circle, cardstock, quilling needle, glue. This is Faber-Castell color pencils and gel pens. So let's start. Draw the heart and then just color it with the red pencil color. Just color like this way, and now we'll go with quilling strip. We'll make a coil. And I'll put in fifth one. Already made so many coils of same size, and I have cutted this hearts from a craft paper, small, big, different sizes. So let's stick on this. Glue. I'll stick the coils on this. Doing the color is optional. Just stick all the coils in this heart. See, I have finished this. See how does it look. The color in the heart is optional thing. You can stick red paper also, and you can keep it white, but I like this way. See this, how beautiful it looks. And now I'll stick the hearts here. I have cut this hearts from a craft paper. Just glue it. Glue all the hearts here, and now the sentiments. I have written "Be Mine," so I'll just glue it. Let it dry. So here it is. See this beautiful card. You can stick some hearts or draw some hearts, write sentiments. So I hope you like my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel Arty and Crafty. Till then, happy Arty and happy Crafty. Thank you.